Happy Independence Day, guys. This is week 4 of our calisthenic transformation series. So in this particular video, we will be introducing mobility exercise, and there is a small change in the routine as well. In this particular video, we will discuss the workout of beginners only, upper body workout and then lower body workout. You guys have to perform 8 push-ups, and with push-ups, you also have to perform bicep curls. But make sure you are not using dumbbells for your bicep curls. Bicep curls you have to perform with brick or tile. Grab a fat tile and try to find out a thick tile and grab it with your palms and your fingers tightly and then perform bicep curls, not dumbbells. Do not use dumbbells. 8 push-ups plus 10 bicep curls with tile or brick. Third is, place your palms like this and then bend forward. Make sure that you are not overdoing it because it will cause pain in your wrist. A little pain is okay, but not more than that. What you have to do? Forward, back, forward, lean forward, then back. Now change the grip, backward, forward, back, front. Now change the position of palms, sideways. Ten repetitions each, guys. 10 repetitions forward, 10 repetitions with backward palm positioning, and 10 with this side, 10 with this side. This is the additional exercise to improve the mobility of your wrist. So do not skip it, guys. This is your workout for upper body. Moving on to the lower body workout, guys. For lower body, you have to perform 10 squats. Now, remember, in the last week, we have performed 15 squats with 2 seconds time in the contraction. So this week, we are reducing our squats. We are making it 10, but we are increasing the time for the contractions. So 10 squats and 3-second time of contraction. Let me show you how to perform squats for this week. We will go for normal squats with 3 seconds time in the contraction. Now squat, then try to touch your toe with your knee, then up in 3 seconds. Down again, then next exercise is lunges. Take 3 seconds to go down and 3 seconds to move up. Last but not the least, the final exercise is wall sit hold. I'm sure that you guys know how to perform a wall sit hold. You just have to take the support of a wall with your back and then make the chair position with the wall. That's how you have to perform a wall sit hold. That's your workout for week 4, guys. A lot of good content is about to come, so make sure that you have subscribed my channel and like my videos. That's all from my side. See you tomorrow in the next video, guys.